think that when they launch product, the budget that they need is only for the inventory itself and maybe for the shipping, and they forget about the PPC, which is a super important part of the product launch. Because if you cannot bring traffic to your listings, people to buy, especially at the beginning when you launch new product, then you're going to be in a problem. And even if your product is good, you could miss sales or have a slow or even unsuccessful launch because you don't utilize PPC and you didn't put enough allocation budget toward PPC. How you launch it, I don't have a set, a specific budget in mind for each product. It really depends. How competitive is the niche? What are the signals that I'm getting in the first few days? It's really dynamic thing that I really adjust while I go. So when you launch a new product, you have to be really hands-on your PPC in the first few days, for the beginning of launch. Really be on top of it and make sure that you adjust very quickly, because you could launch, let's say, your product with PPC, even if you have the right budget, and forget about it for like a week or 2 weeks at the beginning stage, which is a very terrible thing, because you could really bid on terms that are very high ACoS. You could bid on terms that are not converting. And if you're not adding negatives, if you're not doing those little things every day, even few times a day at the beginning, I feel that it could hurt your product launch. But as far as the budget, I would say that, at minimum, you need like $1,000 to get enough clicks to really like measure and get some conclusions. So that would be the minimum. And to give you like exact answer, it really depends on the product, on the niche, and the signals that you get. That's how I look at it.
Hey, it's Ria Mittal here. Before you leave, make sure to subscribe to Seller App's main YouTube channel, where we upload all things Amazon and some how-to guides that will make sure that you're winning on Amazon. You will not get this anywhere else. Until the next time, happy selling.